Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. Before I get into today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button, guys, because we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once we hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys, so please make sure to go ahead and smash the heck out of that subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you have, then I thank you so very much. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Cars Dimension to meet up with Lightning McQueen. And what you're going to need is you're going to need fur yellow wool, 13 red wool, and you're going to place the 2 red wool in the middle and then the 2 yellow wool on each side like I just did right there, guys. Then you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and you want to just place 1, 2, 3, and then 1 yellow wool on top. And now you just want to jump on down and do the exact same thing on this side. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2 in the middle, guys, and then 1 yellow one on the edge, and boom, you are finished. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Now it's time to go ahead and light this baby up with a foot and still. Boom! Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and head on into this baby now and meet up with Lightning McQueen. Hopefully this loads quick, guys. Hopefully this loads quick. Oh my god. Whoa, what the heck is this? Wow, there is a lot of cars, guys. What the heck? And there's a wolf running around really quick. Wow, this is amazing. What's going on around back? There's a wolf up on the trunk. And oh my god, guys, some ladders. That must be where we have to go. Are we actually going to be able to drive this thing? What? This is like a car house or something, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is absolutely amazing, guys. What's back in here? Whoa, it's a bedroom, guys, with 2 beds, because they obviously knew I was going to be inviting Brian over, guys, which is actually Hero Brian's sister, for those of you who don't know. But wow, that was absolutely amazing, guys. Yeah, the living room and the bedroom. I would definitely live in that house. But let's go ahead and see what's in this green car, guys. Hopefully it's just as nice. Whoa, guys, this must be for like the smarty pants. Like the people that's super smart, because it has a lot of books, guys. And it also has its bed in the middle of its floor, guys. And is this like some kind of secret passage? What? I was really hoping for a secret passage behind that picture, guys. That would have been like so epic if there would have been a secret passage. But let's go ahead and let's head on over to the yellow car, guys, and see what's inside it. And whoa, I love how they have a different entry for all of these homes, guys. And wow, what does it say? Car house, sweet car house. Yes, you are right. You are definitely right. These car houses are definitely sweet. They even have cake to prove it, guys. Like, you don't get much more sweeter than cake. Let's be honest, guys. Let me go ahead and shut that back, because I wouldn't want any wolves to get in, guys. Let's go ahead and head on into this car now, guys. It looks pretty cool from the outside. Hopefully it's cool on the inside. And oh my gosh, guys, there is a ton of cake and there's 2 wolves. Obviously this car house belongs to them, and obviously this is like their little kitchen. And what's inside this chest? Wow, guys, I was really hoping for some food to be inside that chest. You know what? I'm actually going to let you guys raise my pig. That's right. I'm going to let them raise my pig. Hopefully they add an extra bed so he can sleep in it, guys. Because as it is, he's probably going to take up both of those beds, because he is pretty big, guys. But let's go ahead and head on over to the next car. What the heck is this? Why is there a baby wolf inside a boat right next to a big thing of water? That's kind of crazy, guys. But what's with this car bed? Whoa, it has like glass going all the way around it, guys. Let's go ahead and head on in and see what's going on with this. Right here's the bed, and then they have like 2 roses on each side, which is pretty cool, guys. They also have like a little chest over here. What's inside it? Nothing. Over here they have like a refrigerator and 2 cakes, which is pretty yummy in my tummy, if you know what I mean. Let's go ahead and jump on down, guys. And whoa, this must be like the Lightning queen of cars, guys. Let's go ahead and let's head on into this baby, guys. If I was going to have a house in this dimension, this would probably be my house. Wow, guys, this place looks absolutely amazing. Just take a look at this bed. You have a perfect view of your TV from your bed, guys. Unlike me in real life, because for some reason, my feet just destroy my view of the TV, guys. Like, I can't see the TV from my feet. I'm not really for sure what the problem is, because, well, maybe it's just because I got big feet. I'm not for sure, guys, but whoa, look at this car house, guys. They have a nice view of the outside, and they can just look out at nothing because there's really nothing out there. They also have a chest back here. There's nothing in the chest. I really wish there was something inside at least one of the chests. We looked in all the chests. There was nothing. But I'm actually going to go ahead and blow up every single one of these cars. I'm going to do it in fast motion though, guys. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.